Hello everyone. This issue brings you DTF.Pro's new customer course. First of all, remove the outer packing, and check the appearance for any damage, bruises, etc. If nothing happens, we go inside the machine. You can see a silver fixing clip on the belt, which is used to fix the ink truck. We need to use a screwdriver to remove it. All packaging accessories and parts inside the machine need to be removed. The next step is to go to the back of the machine and install PET roll film paper. Please watch carefully. There will be 3 hex screws on both the left and right sides, and we need to use a hex wrench to remove them while retaining the screws. We need these 6 hexagonal screws when installing the drum bracket. Please take out the drum bracket and pay attention to distinguishing the installation direction. Please watch the video carefully. Place the installation screw holes of the left support bracket in place and secure them with 3 hexagonal screws. Fix the screws with a hex wrench. The same installation method is used for the right support bracket. This is a close-up image of the installation completed. Please compare and see if the installation is correct. This drum shaft is also divided into left and right sides. Please pay attention to carefully observe and distinguish. We need to install it correctly. First, loosen the screws on the black drum for easy. Place the black drum into the drum shaft. Place the film paper in the center of the drum and secure it by locking 2 screws. Please pay attention to the direction of installation when installing the resistance device. Right, please pay attention to the installation direction of the resistance device. Please pay attention to this close-up image. The front of the film is the printing side, and the printing side is facing upwards. Please pay attention to this detail. Place the roll of film paper onto the support frame. Check if the installation of the roll film is correct by rotating it multiple times, only if the roll film is rotating. Checking for smooth rotation is the most important step. Open the left door and lift the control handle of the paper roller upwards. This is the film paper fixing auxiliary board. We will loosen the screws of the auxiliary board. We must not completely remove the screws, just loosen them. Now let's install the PET roll film paper. Please make sure the printing surface is facing upwards. Do not use mistakes. Manually thread the PET film paper through the pressure roller. After the membrane paper passes through the wheel, the other hand receives the pulling membrane paper. Press the outer edge of the PET film paper with an auxiliary board to secure it, and tighten the screws on the auxiliary board for fixation. Press down the control handle of the paper roller. The left door can be closed now. Start powering on and starting the machine now. Before starting the machine, be sure to check whether the voltage on the label matches the voltage you are actually using. If there are any abnormalities, please contact the technical personnel. This is the temperature control display of the heating plate. The temperature was already set when the machine left the factory, and there is no need for secondary adjustment. Press left. It is normal for the ink truck to move to the far left, and automatically stop when it moves to the far left. Press right. It is normal for the ink truck to move to the far right and automatically stop when it moves to the far right. Press forward. Let the membrane paper automatically load forward. When the membrane paper moves forward, pay attention to observing whether there are any abnormalities or warping of the membrane paper. This is the method to check whether the membrane paper is installed correctly. PET film paper must be kept in a flat state. The data connection line of the machine's network port will be bundled with a white USB drive, which contains software and teaching videos. We'll take it down. Insert the network port data cable into the dedicated network interface of the computer, and the white USB drive is inserted into any USB port. Thank you for watching. We will be installing the software next class.